Well, hello there. I'm going to show you how to confirm your Veggie-GO order on our online storefront. See here we have some items in a cart. You want to click on that shopping cart for this little menu to come up, and then click on the green Review and Confirm Order button in the corner. That will bring you to this next page where it shows a message at the top saying that you have an unconfirmed order. That means that none of these items in your cart are reserved. So you want to reserve those by clicking the green Confirm Order button. Also, you have to have a credit card on file in order to confirm your order. So confirm there, and then you will see a new message with your confirmed order and your order number. Now, everything in your cart is reserved for you, and you can always go back in and add more to your order later. So this is a really great thing to do as early as you can in your order window, as it is first come, first serve. You can go through and pick out the items that you really want, and then you can confirm your order, and you can always come back again before your order window closes to add more items if you would like. Thank you so much for your support of local agriculture with Veggie-GO. We really appreciate it.